Hello guys, I'm Miss Mia, one of the instructors here in Zuitt. For our video today, I will show you some of the basic CLI commands that we should know and what they are for. So these commands will help you become a much more efficient software developer, so make sure to keep watching till the end. For those who are using Mac or Linux, you may open your terminal, but for those who are using Windows, you may use the command prompt. However, just a reminder, some CLI commands may not work in command prompt unless you use a different command line programs. So to start, we need to open our terminal first. So ano nga ba si terminal? So si terminal or the command line interface, this is just a tool na ginagamit natin to communicate with our computer. So we can use it to create and manipulate files and folders as well as navigate our computer's file system using different commands instead of using our mouse in creating, let's say, a folder. We can still use the graphical user interface in accessing files and folders by clicking an icon using our mouse. However, when you start to work as a software engineer or as a developer, you are expected to know how to use the command line interface because there are a lot of things we can do, and there are also technologies that are easier to access using our terminal. First CLI command is the PWD. So PWD stands for Present Working Directory. So as you can see here, it shows the location or the folder we are currently in. So itong command na to is very helpful, lalo na kapag nakakalimutan natin kung nasa ang location yung ina-access or yung ginagawa natin. Next command is the ls. So si ls will allow us to list all the files and folders in our current location. So in our current directory here, meron tayong isang file, si index which is an HTML file, and meron din tayong 9 folders here. So to confirm if we have the same file and folders in our current location, let me open our home directory using our file manager. So as you can see here, pareho lang naman sila. Now, next is, what if I want to switch to the documents folder? Or let's say, gusto nating i-open si documents folder kasi ito naman yung i-access natin, or dito tayo may gagawing folder, or dito tayo magkikreate ng file. So with GUI, pwedeng i-click na lang natin yung documents folder. Kiklik lang natin using our mouse and andito na tayo sa loob ng documents directory. Pero using our terminal, meron tayong command na pwedeng gamitin. So for that command, we can use cd. cd stands for change directory. So in here, since in our terminal here, we are currently in our home directory. Now, if we want to switch to the documents folder, we can just use the cd command and then the documents folder. Ibig sabihin lang nito kung saan tayo magsuswitch na location. So if I hit enter here, from the home directory, ngayon nasa documents folder na tayo. Another useful CLI command is the mkdir, which means to make directory. This will allow us to create an empty folder in our current directory. So let's try to create a folder named folder1. So using our command, so mkdir and folder1, so as you can see here, we were able to create our folder1 inside our documents folder. Now, if mkdir is used for creating an empty folder, we have another command which will allow us in creating an empty file. So let's say inside our folder 1, so right now we are in the documents folder. So to change or to switch to folder 1, I have to use the cd command again or to change directory and our folder, which is the folder 1. And inside our folder 1 here, let's create an empty file. So for that, we can use the command touch and then um, the file name and the file extension of the file that we want to create. So if we want to create a text file, let's say name docs. So docs is the name of our file, and we add we also add here the text, the file extension, so the txt here in our terminal. And if we check our folder 1 here, we were able to create a text file name docs inside our folder 1. So those are some of the basic CLI commands that a beginner like you would need to know. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if you're interested in learning more, here with us in Zuitt regarding what curriculum we offer, class schedules, and other details for you to get started, so just go visit zuitt.co or click the link in the description box to register and book a live consultation with our career advisors. So we hope you find this video helpful. So kindly leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from us. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see next, leave a comment so that we could know and discuss for the next videos. Again, I'm Miss Mia and I hope to see you in one of our classes soon. Bye!